Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today in this video I wanted to talk about some article that discuss about the food passion. Yeah, so did you ever watch some video that can make that can make people in one country was cry? Yeah, that's what happened in the Thailand. So in the Thailand there's some video that uh, there's some for a video, which is this video can get a 4 million view just in a 5 day. Imagine 4 million view just in a 5 day. And what the inside of this video and what the things that can make this video is really viral like that. So basically the inside of this video is really basic because this video was telling about some employee that cannot back to home because they must to serve their customer, which is the customer is uh, celebrate uh, celebrate about their happiness. Yeah, maybe many people think it's just a normal or basic set edge video, but it's not because it will become the Windows deepest psychology of business empire. It's called food passion. Okay, so the food passion have some unique principle, and the principle is the happiness is the main currency for this company. Yeah, the happiness is the main currency for this company, and also the philosophy is same, and the philosophy sounds like happiness is the currency for everyone. Okay, so this company or food passion was began in more than 30 years ago. So there's a some family that a small family was obsessed about healthy food and tasty and nutrition about the food, and the CEO the CEO of this company is Mr. Chopong. Yeah, Mr. Chopong is the CEO of the barbecue. Sorry, of the barbecue plaza. Oh yeah, let's begin. So the Mr. Chopang was trying to a big gambling and trying to make some crazy decision because Mr. Chopang was established a barbecue plaza, which is have a new concept. It have a new concept like they have a new concept, self cook self cook grill, or people buy and cook for themselves. And of course, because this new concept, many people was not familiar about this, and Mr. Chopong was Mr. Chopong need to face 1,000 people that's confused about this concept. Yeah, because there is many people think why we buy a food and cook from ourselves. Okay, so what the strategy for clear or for fix this problem? So Mr. Chopong has a unique strategy because Mr. Chopong was helped by their children and their wife. Oh yeah, by the way, their wife, the name is by the way, the Mr. Chopong wife, the name is Mr. uh, Miss Chayata. So Miss Chayata is the CEO of Barbecue Plaza right now. So what is the strategy? It's a strategy is really simple, I think. because the children was sitting nearby the window restaurant and show to the other peoples that if we cook if we cook ourselves, it's really fun and it's really easy, and of course it's full of family warmth, and because of it the company was grow really fast. Okay, let's begin. So after the barbecue plaza was successfully, uh, of course, the barbecue plaza wants to add their international market first in Malaysia. Malaysia is becoming the first the barbecue plaza goes, and in Malaysia they are develop a 16 store or 16 barbecue plaza store, and after that following with the Indonesia through the joint venture schema and waralaba. Okay, and not just stop on the grilling business, but they are want to try to maintain the hot pot business. So there was launching the Jum Soup hot sorry Jum Soup head in their 6 years. So yeah, and after they established the new business, there was bringing Hotstar Hotstar. And what is the Hotstar? So Hotstar is the biggest brand or biggest brand fried chicken in the Taiwan. They are bringing into Taiwan and make like a collab, I think. Yeah, make a collab and yeah, work together. And after that, what are they do? So they are doing some analysis, some strategy. So they are get a time snack, get a trend, a time snack between meals, and the result is the profit is kind of crazy because they get a profit until 33 million bets or 30% more high 30% higher than first target. Okay, of course every company, every store or something have a golden time and have some trouble, of course, because in 2010 the profit is not stable because there's a new competitive, and in this year the competitive really hard and really harder because yeah, because there is a new competitive, and the competitive like from Japan, Korea, or even Mongolia that have a same concept like a barbecue drill. Sorry, like a barbecue plaza. So of course, uh, the food passion was realized about this, and they're trying to make a radical transformation. So they are doing combine wisdom, and new blood, which is wisdom old is the old founder and old founder or the old CEO, and new blood is the new founder lah. And because of this strategy, there was successfully doubling their profit from first is 1,700 beds, they are doubled into more than 3,000 3,500 million beds in 2016. Just in the 5 year, there was successfully to double their profit, and then their next target is reach 7 million bahts in 2012. And maybe some of we is kind of confused how the this company or this food fashion was defeating their other competitive or their other company, like, yeah, just so many enemies, yeah, for the food fashion. So there So the food passion was trust. When the employee was happy, of course it will bring the warm smile into the customer. Food passion always trust this, and it's not just a talking. Of course, food passion make some action, and there's a three main action for food passion do. The first is my dad and my sorry, the first is my day and my daily day. So what is this? My day is when the employee was have a birthday, they the employee get a holiday. Yeah, so the employee was free when his birthday come. And what is the daily day? So the employee father, the the baby was born, of course the father or the employee get a holiday, so it's free too. And the second is sneakers revolution. So when the other company use uncomfortable sneakers and it make the food kind of hard, the food passion was different because they was taking care about their employee, really taking care. And the sneakers in the food passion restaurants, was using a comfortable sneakers. And the last is the food passion or this company was established a food fashion academy, which is it's trying the people or the employees who wants to get a better from their job. And this academy can training of 5 million people or 5 million employees per month. And because of it, the the food company get some title or some reward, like they get the 10 happiest workplace in 2016. and and also the food passion have a innovative have a innovation, like basically the other company of course is have a innovation. So what the innovation that food patients do? Okay, so the innovation was starting in 2016 after the food patient was researched along like 6 years and spend spend all money and spend all money sorry and spend all money until 1000 1010 million beds. The food patient the innovation of food passion is changing their grill. Yeah, changing their grill when the customer wants to cook. So the first grill is a gold grill. This grill was used of it was used around or along like 29 years old, and after that they are changed into black pen, which is this grill have a more advanced technology inside the black pen. Yeah, more advanced and more technology. Of course, is really helping, and it's bring a new experience for the customer. And of course, when the yes is always at the technology is def- the technology is always developing too, because like uh, right now right now uh, food fashion facing some new trouble, because yeah, as we know right now there is some application that make us more easier to get food, and like GoFood, Gojek, GoFood, GrabFood, or the others. And of course, because of it, many people was really like to eat alone, and they want to go out for getting their food. And of course, it's kind of trouble for food fashion, because their unique passion is uh, the unique passion is uh, eating together with family and harmful. And yeah, of course the food patient is doing something. They are using some application. The food patient doing some application. The name is QQ. QQ. Yeah, the name is QQ, which is it's for maintenance the line. It's for maintenance the line, and it's for maintenance line, and yeah, for get more efficiency. and and then start to use the application. uh, the food patient uh, the food patient was thinking about using the robot waiter for more efficiency. Okay, maybe that's all for my summary. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.